Second year, Assalamu alaikum. We are starting with the Shimla conference which was held in June 1945. This is the topic of chapter number 1. Before starting Shimla conference, we will have a look on its background. As you know that Mr. Cripps came to India with different proposals to solve the political crisis of India. But those proposals were rejected by both the important parties, Muslim League and the Congress. After their rejection, Mr. Gandhi and Quaid-e-Azam, they started talks to solve the issues. But those talks were also failed because of different stands of Quaid-e-Azam and Mr. Gandhi. After that, Lord Wavell, he called a conference of all the political leaders at Shimla on 24th June 1945. He wanted to solve the political issues. For that purpose, he called that conference because he wanted to make the Executive Council of the Viceroy, but at one point there was a deadlock, and that was the nomination of the Muslims. For that purpose, Muslim League, they demanded all the 5 Muslim representatives will be nominated by the Muslim League. But Viceroy and Congress, they were not of the opinion. They wanted to select the members for the Muslims as well, because it was the opinion of the Congress that Congress also represented Muslims of the subcontinent. At that time, Khizr Hayat Tawana, he was the leader of Unionist Party from Punjab. He also opposed Quaid-e-Azam's stand that all the 5 Muslim representatives will be selected by Muslim League. He said that one of them should be from the Unionist Party. Khizr Hayat Tawana was also supported by British government and Congress. But Quaid-e-Azam said that only and only the Muslim League is the sole representative of Muslims, and the right to select 5 representatives for the Shimla conference will be the right of the Muslim League. So on this basis, that conference was failed, and Lord Wavell himself announced its failure. Girls, our next topic is elections of 1945-46. Those elections were held in December 1945 for Central Legislature and in February 1946 for the provincial assemblies. The result of the election came in this form that all the reserved seats for the Muslims were won by the Muslim League. That were 30 out of 100 Muslim seats which were won by the Muslim League in Central Legislature, Central Assembly. In provincial elections, Muslim League got 446 seats out of 495 Muslim seats. Except KPK, it got majority in all the provinces. This result shows that the claim of Quaid-e-Azam and Muslim League that Muslim League is the only representative party of the Muslims of subcontinent is true, and all the Muslims of the subcontinent, they relied on the policies of Quaid-e-Azam and Muslim League. and thank you all.